Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program 2016 Hyundai Sonata key fob. Start with the driver door open, all doors closed, and both working key and new fob at hand. Turn ignition to on then OFF 5 times ending in on. Press and hold the lock button on the new fob for 1 second to register. Test all buttons and repeat if the fob does not respond. Call dealer if problems persist. Begin by inserting your working key and cycling the ignition between on and OFF to enter programming mode. When the car signals readiness, press the lock button on the new fob to register it. Repeat with each additional fob before exiting programming. Turn the ignition off and test each button from a short distance to confirm successful registration. If any fob fails, repeat the sequence carefully and ensure battery power is adequate. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during garage projects and fits cup holders perfectly, making it ideal for long programming sessions. I like its leak-proof lid and easy carry loop for hands-on work. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. If the fob does not register, start by replacing its battery and repeating the sequence slowly. Confirm you used the correct ignition cycle count and that the driver door stayed open the entire time. Try a different working key if available to rule out a key issue. When in doubt, a professional locksmith can diagnose remote signal problems quickly. Keep spare batteries on hand to avoid interruptions while programming additional fobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.